back here on John's Lincoln. Took it to the small guy. And she was fatty, fat. Fatty, fat. And made her a little less fatty, fat. But definitely fat. So, one thing we noticed is I got it running. She's idling. I have the idle mixture screws bottomed out all the way. So the car should have stalled a long time ago from being too lean. They are snugged down all the way. And we're idling. This tells me there's definitely a leak somewhere. Fuel-wise going around. It would be absolutely deader than a doornail at this point. So I'm gonna turn the light on, look down the primaries, see what we got. And if we have those all the way leaned out closed, there's something wrong. Well, this has to be the best running car ever that doesn't have, that has plugged off idle circuits. That makes no sense. We Palm Springs in for sure today, boys and girls. But it's weird. I've never had a Holley 4-barrel carb that apparently runs rich, according to the small guy. Well, it's not apparently, it definitely does. He has the paperwork to prove it. It's weird. With the idle circuit shut completely, and it runs this good and drives this good, it's either got some fracture that's going around the airlines, hairline fracture going around the idle circuit, to where it's just happens to run pretty decent. I wonder if there's something jacked up in there. But that's the only thought I have, because timing's on. It runs great. Like, this thing is running fantastic. So, I don't know. It's weird.